Hello everyone, good morning sa lahat and welcome back again to our channel, Manang Abit channel. So ngayon guys ay ngayon yung araw sa sa graduation ni Shalane at saka yung awardee ng mga apo ko na nasa lower grade. So yan, papunta na kami doon kasi nandoon na sila, nauna na sila sa amin kasi naligo pa ako guys. So magpahatid kami ni James doon. See you there guys. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa school. Nagsugo na tayo, paso na ang daycare karon. Paso na sila. Kinder. Punta tayo doon.
Jesse R. Soria.
Guys, nag-awarding na. So sa grade 1 muna si Kai Maoy first honor sa grade 1. Yan si Ruben. Zian Marco ay pangalawa. Second honor si Marco. Lakaw na dong! Dang!
John Niño Pio L. Vergara.
Yan. Si May with honor. Yung papa niya kasi yung mama niya ay nandun sa Maynila.
Christian Jane Mosqueda with honors. 23, 2024. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Tuburan Elementary School, Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. Signed, Marife J. Golosino, Advisor, and Karen V. Avenido, Head Teacher 1. Okay, with honors goes to with high honors goes to Shalen M. Lopez. She also received an Academic Excellence Award from the Office of the Governor. Ako sa basaw na citation. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Bohol, Tagbilaran City, Office of the Governor. The Governor's Academic Excellence Award, be it known to all that Governor Erico Aristotle C. Aumentado hereby awards the Academic Excellence Award to Shalen M. Lopez for the sterling achievement and top-notch academic performance that embody the great traditional values of integrity, compassion, innovation, and resilience impacting and touching many Boholano communities. Awarded this 30th day of May in the year of our Lord 2024. Signed, Erico Aristotle C. Aumentado, Governor.
Daming award si Shalen. Mayroon pa siyang certificate from our governor.
With honors goes to May Igot.
Daming medal si Shalen. Sibong mo ito kamay. Buhok Shalen, buhok. Asa mang medal ni mo, Sarah?
Siya ay
Ha?
kami. Ayun.
Mana giko?
Ano mo?
Oo, wala na yan.
Ayun na yung certificate. Siya may pakuptan si mong certificate. Si Sam may pakuptan si Sam. Sam, gunito Sam. Okay, 1, 2. Ipakita yung mga medal. Agbay na lang si Sam.
The governor, unsa ni day?
1, 2, 3.
Imo ni? Di mo ni imo. The Governor's Academic Excellence Award. Governor Erico Aristotle Aumentado hereby award the Academic Excellence Award to Shalen M. Lopez.
Sam, matapatong sa Sam.
Imo ni Sarah? Haman niya mo medal?
Mas
Tu ang ati ag medal. Pila ka mo kung medal ba? Haman day? Ako dito sa layo.
Ala, lagi na. Isulo ka bing na.
Ma'am Karen, please stay.
Grabe. Yan yung tatlong apo ko, guys.
Ito nga na po si Zian.
Yung medal ni Shalen ay hiniram nila. Hiniram nila yung medal ni Shalen, tatlo.
Okay, requesting Magawad Tibong. You are the one for me. Nasi Nian.
Hi, hi. Hoy.
Okay.
Hoy. Hi, Shalen, Mamiti, thank you. Thank you, Mamiti, thank you.
Saibel.
Ito pong, ano ni Shalen, award, Excellence Achiever of the Year, si Shalen. Usa na yung usa, Daibe? Usa na yung usa? Kaning usa ay kagawad na edukasyon. Kaning usa, the Governor's Excellence Award. Asa ako, ano yung bukat din, no?
Province of Bohol.
Hmm?
Province of Bohol.
Province of Bohol. Dami ng award ni Shalen. So, mamayang, ano, usang oras sa inyong graduation? Launa? Pabalik pa kami dito mamayang, ano, mamayang hapon kasi yun yung graduation nila. paso nila guys. Mamaya yun yung speech. Unya ang speech di mo dai. Mamaya yung speech ni Salin. So, babalik pa tayo mamaya guys. Mananghalian muna tayo sa bahay. So, uwi muna kami guys. Ala po karibon yan. Wow, bless nanay. Wow, ang ribon dagang daming ribon yan. Oh. 4 na ribon. Wa mo anis lolo og si Lola Los? Wa? Hi, be. Hi. Thank you. Ito si Yana. Kasi mong banday, mama ni mo? Muli na mo. Thank you. Yan. Yan, nagbihis na si Shalin guys para sa kanyang toga. Kasi may sa toga na eh. Toga na? Basig dili. Ang hairpin anak. Si ate lang yung nagbihis si Shalin. Dali na mo. Kaya malapit tayong oras. Ikuan kay parang dili mahog. Di na nagtapi day? Anak na? Dili sentro. Inigyan ko, mubaw pa man mo no. Para og di kuan di hulog. So good luck Shalin. Hindi ako makasabay sa inyo. Si ate lang yung video. Kasi may gagawin ako ngayon dito sa bahay. So sila na lang yung magtapos sa sila lang yung
Mr. Brian and Mrs. Annalyn Lopez. Makalanggan Maria Andromeda Templa with honors. Mr. Watamama and Richelle Makalanggan. Mara Jana Palahino. Parent Mr. Joseph and Mrs. Jingle Mara. Lopez Shalin Mosqueda. Makalanggan Maria Andromeda Templa. Mara Jana Palahino.
Mura, usay mo sulti na oh. Ayaw pala may yapon. Hindi pa, manarik na rin. Balik na mga mga mga
Nani mo ka doon. Hindi ba sa pananin sa yung kuwan?
Our public school district supervisor, Dr. Zenaida L. Boyles, principals, school heads, teachers, fellow graduates, proud parents, barangay and PTO officials, visitors, good afternoon. It was not so long ago when our journey began. These faces of us now was really far different from our faces when we entered the school 6 years ago. Facebook would probably say, you have memories with your friends 6 years ago. Want to share it, right? For most of us, we entered Tuburan Elementary School with nothing more than a dream. And today, together we stand as survivors' arms with knowledge, skills, and values to bring this dream closer to reality. To others, these graduation ceremonies of us may simply be equated as the end of the tunnel or breath of relief, but after years, under the nurture of Alma Mater, we know that it's just the beginning of our long journey towards success. Life is an open road, and true we've studied its highways and byways. We never left without a roadmap. Our Almighty, our teachers, parents, and classmates have constantly been our guide. All paths, all encounters lead here. To our dearest teachers, you have done more than a word can express. We understand we were far from perfect students, and that more than once. We have brought you much pain, frustrations, and angerness that often brought you into this mood. I'm really sorry for all of that. You opened our eyes to what we could do, and what we could be, in a way that we've never thought possible. Today, we show you our sincerest gratitude for molding our character and for showing us a strong foundation of who and what we are now. You deserve to share every honor we received today. You have continuously strengthened and inspired us, without which we would have never come to reach this moment. You give your full support and trust, even though we are hard-headed most of the times. We are really sorry for all of our faults and promises that we have broken. In spite of our being stubborn, we hope that in some way we made you proud. To our classmates, our guests, our friends who have grown with us, we have colored this journey with laughter, pains, joys, and conflicts. To our classmates that have during our bayanihan times, on exam and quizzes, to our lazy moments, during homework assignments, to our travelers' mood, during unexpected gateways, and to our financer during recess time, to our lawyer during lying time, to our brother and sister like during advising times, to our #1 mutual friends on Facebook, and to #1 followers on Instagram and Twitter. We really gone this far, that times us cannot consider each other as classmates, but as our new friends. Days may be forgotten, but hope that our moments and memories that we have shared will stay forever. Time has come and gone too, and when one glances back at the past that belongs to us, it's a blessing that we have shared a few of the most memorable years of our lives together. These ties shall remain strong wherever life may lead us. And to our Almighty Father, the beginning and the end of all things, we only stand here today because of you. You are the greatest foundation of all our inspiration, courage, and hard work that made us what we are today. Thank you for all the blessing and the opportunities you showered upon us. All the glory is over back in your name. Rehearsals are over and the show is about to begin. As we part, we do not know where life shall take us, but we steer behind the wheel, and the Subaru elementary school has become our home. It shall forever remain our lighthouse. Now, we're much proud to say that we are graduates. Together, we graduate. In the near future together, we should taste the fruit of our success. It is and always will be an honor and joy to have been part of this family. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you, Miss Shaween. Now, may we have Miss May All Egon with honors to deliver.
So, may regalo si Shalene. Ako yun. So, ayan, binabuksan ko na. So, excited ako kung ano yung laman. Ano kaya yung magiging laman ng regalo ko? Ang excited ko. Ano kaya? May feeling na ako kung ano yan. Hala, alam ko na. Alam ko na. Ayan. Alam ko na. Cellphone pala. Thank you po. Thank you, Auntie siya sa cellphone. Thank you. Thank you po talaga. And sa lahat din ng nagsusuporta sa mga vlog ni Nanay. Salamat din sa inyong lahat. At saka Salamat din sa walang sawang panonood sa aming mga videos. At sa lahat ng mga nag-graduate or mga completers, congrats. Honor with honor or without, you deserve to be congratulated. So, salamat talaga. And thank you din kay Mami T at kay Ma'am Gray sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Lopez Clan. Salamat po at God bless us all. Thank you. Bye.